I'm Ken Schwinn. I've been in the travel business since the late 1970s and actually started doing groups. I've been with Europe Express for 14 years very happily. Europe Express has your best interest in heart as a travel advisor because it's in their best interest to have satisfied clients, not only the travel advisor, but the groups. It was difficult to work in group travel in the beginning. There are 44 countries in Europe. Where do you start? Do you go to a DMC? Who's going to arrange your air? How are you going to find a restaurant that fits the many people that you wanted? At Europe Express, everything is taken care of from the beginning, seamless and complete. Clients realize that I know what I'm doing when I use Europe Express. When they travel, the documents that they receive are extremely exacting. They have names and addresses of guides, hotels, suppliers. If they have a problem, there are contact numbers. And the contact person that's on there is the person who helped put the tour together in the first place. So the person knows exactly what's to be expected. Out of the group business with Europe Express, I've gotten a lot of FIT business, client business beyond groups. It's a great feeling. And I never, ever worry or have a problem when I deal with Europe Express. We've gone through snowstorms, airport strikes, a fire at JFK that closed the terminal, part of a group arriving in the country and the rest of the group not arriving in the country. And in each of those instances, Europe Express got right on top of it and did the best for the best outcome for the group and the clients. Europe Express private groups can really do any kind of group. They usually want 15 people or more. That could be an intergenerational family, a club, a church, an affinity group, a group that wants to look at art, a culinary group, a group that friends put together just to have some fun for a week or two in Europe. And all of those groups are given the same amount of care and the same amount of attention, and I'm very happy to deal with them. So they really are a one-stop shop for anybody who's doing 15 people or more. And in some cases, I believe they go below 15 people. If you're looking for a great option for group travel, Europe Express is the place to go.